Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to utilize AI for free traffic. Building an affiliate website that'll earn you $7,000 per month. Alright, let's kick things off by diving into the process of finding affiliate products that we can showcase on our website. You can choose any product that resonates with you, but we're spotlighting AI products and services for this video. Why AI, you ask? Well, AI-powered tools are generating quite the buzz lately, and we're planning to dedicate a whole video to these cutting-edge products. There are two neat perks to this approach. Firstly, it's a chance to stand out from the crowd since not many folks have tapped into the promoting of these new AI goodies. Secondly, these AI platforms offer ongoing commissions, meaning whenever someone signs up through your link and becomes a subscriber, you'll enjoy a steady stream of income month after month. Nice, right? Now, the go-to spot where we'll hunt for these AI gems is Futurepedia.io. This platform is a real gem because it's top-notch at showing you the newest and hottest AI tools. They cover a wide range of categories. Think copywriting, customer service, audio editing, 3D, art, and more. Seriously, the variety of AI software you can uncover here is mind-blowing. So, step 1. Hop on over to Futurepedia.io. Get yourself an account and then start curating a list of all those exciting products you'd love to shout about on your website. Now let's dive into step 2, the exciting process of building your website. But hold on, don't worry if coding isn't your jam. You definitely don't need to empty your pockets hiring someone. Our secret sauce here is an AI tool named Tenweb. Picture it as a magical AI-powered WordPress website creator that can create a complete website for you, starting from scratch. And here's the cherry on top. This AI gem, Tenweb, can whip up all the content and images you need in just a few minutes. Oh, and did I mention it comes with an assistant similar to ChatGPT to supercharge your SEO mojo? Which means you'll be pulling in that sweet organic traffic from Google. Intriguing, isn't it? To kick things off, head on over to tenweb.io. Once you're there, hit the inviting Generate Your Website button on the homepage. You'll then be whisked away to a questionnaire that helps tailor the AI magic to your needs. They're curious. Are you creating a new website with AI? Looking to convert an existing site to WordPress using AI? Or perhaps aiming to optimize your current website? Whatever your flavor, they've got you covered. Since we're creating an affiliate website to dish out articles about various AI software, go ahead and choose the Create a New Website with AI option. The AI will ask you a few questions to cook up content and images that match your vision. Pick Blogger as your vibe and choose I want to create an informal website. Next up, select your business type. Let's roll with Digital Nomad Blog and tap that trusty Next button. Now let's talk aesthetics. It's time to pick a design framework that speaks to your style. We're going for the middle option, but feel free to let your creativity roam. Oh, and don't forget to name your company. You can whip up your own cool name, or if you're feeling a tad official, ChatGPT could sprinkle some naming magic. Now comes the fun part, describing your company. This is where ChatGPT could really lend a hand in giving a dazzling introduction for your AI-powered blog. All about shouting out the latest in AI tools. Hold tight because there's more. You'll need to outline your core services. Hot tip, focusing on a few categories of AI tools from Futurepedia.io is smarter than trying to cover everything. Niching down makes the money-making game a lot easier. Lastly, Tenweb will ask about your content tone. Since you aim to promote products, the formal tone is the way to go. When everything's squared away, hit that Create Website button and let the AI work its enchantment. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. With all your input, the AI will work its magic. And voila! Before you know it, you'll have a shiny, new, and fully functional website ready to roll. Just a little click on the preview and edit, and you'll get a sneak peek at your masterpiece. A polished website that practically shouts professionalism. How cool is this? As you scroll down, there's a neat lineup of services and even a case study section. The real charm of Tenweb? Its editing process is as smooth as butter. While you explore further, you might spot some images sprinkled throughout the website. Guess what? These images, like everything else, are the handiwork of AI. That means no worries about pesky copyright issues. The AI has put its best foot forward in creating your site. While it might not be absolutely flawless, a few tweaks here and there will have your affiliate website primed and ready. Now let's get down to the next step: customizing your AI-born website to make it totally user-friendly. This is where the real magic happens. So let's hit that edit your website button and dive in. Here's where the spotlight shines on a remarkable feature of Tenweb: Elementor Pro. This snazzy editor lets you drag and drop the elements you want onto your site. It's so user-friendly that you're good to go, even if coding isn't your thing. It's tailor-made for beginners. Once you've got your website layout just how you like it, it's time to whip up some captivating blog content. But there's no need to sweat over writing blog posts. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. Just hop on to ChatGPT and search for an interesting AI tool from Futurepedia.io that aligns with your chosen niche. ChatGPT will work its magic and create the perfect content for you. But hey, Tenweb's got your back too. They've included a writing assistant to help you craft those blog posts. Now that your affiliate website is up and running, it's time to get those visitors flowing in. And guess what? There are many methods to generate traffic. And we're about to dive into a particularly effective one: Quora. While platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram are great options, Quora stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness in pulling in traffic. Unlike those platforms that often gobble up your time and effort, Quora keeps things refreshingly straightforward. Here's the game plan. You provide answers to questions while subtly directing folks back to your website. And with the magic of AI, this process gets even smoother, making it a powerful traffic generation tool. Let's say you're promoting an AI-powered image generation tool. Head over to Quora and search for questions about AI-assisted content creation. You'll find a bunch of relevant queries posted by users. Now, the plan is simple. Pick a question that vibes with your topic, hit that answer button, and give a helpful response. But here's where the twist comes in. You won't be sweating over composing a detailed reply. Instead, just copy the question and paste it into ChatGPT. You'll get a smartly crafted answer from the AI in a flash. Pop that AI-generated response onto Quora to lure curious users to your blog for more in-depth insights in the topic. If your content strikes a chord with them and they decide to click on your affiliate link, that's when the commissions start rolling in. What's really cool about this method is how scalable it is. You're not stuck just promoting one AI tool. With various affiliate programs covering different AI products, you can create a range of blog posts promoting these goodies on your website. And Quora becomes your trusty vehicle to steer traffic toward your site. Here's the kicker. This can become a sustainable income stream, potentially raking in thousands of dollars per month. Exciting, isn't it? So go ahead, share your expertise on Quora, guide folks to your website, and watch the magic happen. In today's time, when technology constantly evolves, we're seizing the incredible opportunities it brings to make ends meet and thrive. The beauty lies in how we're harnessing the power of AI, turning it into a remarkable tool for generating income. We're not just talking about making money online, we're talking about carving your own path in the digital landscape, where earning opportunities are abundant and waiting to be explored. From creating affiliate websites that practically run themselves, to finding AI-powered tools that simplify the process, we're diving into side hustles and passive income like never before. As AI tools continue to evolve, so do our leveraging methods for our benefit. Imagine, just a few clicks away, you're building websites and entire online ventures that can bring in substantial monthly earnings. Platforms like Quora, with their simplicity and effectiveness, provide us with the means to connect with people seeking answers and solutions. We're tapping into their curiosity, leading them to our domains of expertise, and offering insights that guide them toward making informed decisions. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a content creator, or someone simply looking for additional income, remember that the world of AI offers exciting prospects. It's a journey where we're not just keeping up with technology, but using it as a bridge to a new financial horizon. Embrace the ever-evolving landscape, seize the tools, and ride the wave of positive change toward a future where technology isn't just a tool. It's a pathway to making your aspirations a reality. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.